As you see, I'm a photographer. I travel across Canada, city by the city, in the forest, to do wildlife photography and nature photography. I try to give you some information if you're lost in the wood. As you see, I have just a camera, a backpacks, camera bag, small knife. You can have different kind of knife, and let's see. Okay, the other problems, you need to find the food. Remember, searching on the forest, on the floor, or under the trees, you can find like a worm. You cannot find them or eat them fresh or just cook it if you have access to the fire. You better just cook it when you have a fire in the forest, because maybe some of them contain the bacteria. Some of the bugs in the forest is not good if you want to eat it. Remember, it's going to be dangerous for your health. Like this. I don't know if you can see it or not. They can contain to the poison. You don't want to eat such a bugs, because they're going to cause you more trouble in the forest. You get kind of rash, or I don't know, skin scratching your skin, and maybe you cannot breathe and you need to have access to the doctor. This kind of plastic bags helping me to keep my camera inside when it's going to be rain, and I'm not going to damage my camera. But I show you the one steps how you can find the water when there is no water anywhere. And because one of the problem you're going to have probably when you're lost in the forest, you get thirsty and you need to drink. Okay, you just grab the piece of the trees, because it was rain, it looks to me, last night. Yeah. Get your plastic bags, squeeze it. Unfortunately, I don't have a cameraman with me or someone to help me, but I show you the steps you can find the water. I take a piece of wood on the floor of the forest, because when the rain is coming, those kind of piece of wood absorb the water to the in and hold it. It looks like a that's it. She's coming in your hand, you cannot just have the birds. But usually, I just recommend in the emergency case if you want to eat some animal. As you see, my trick works, and I catch one bird. Even you can hunt a screw like this in the wood. Just call them, come close to you. Come on. And you can see how much it's come close to me. It's pretty easy. I can kill this screw. Yeah. See how close I am. Let's go find the vegetation. The vegetation. There's a different vegetation you can eat to survive. As the same vegetation eat by the black bears or deers, can be good for human too. You can find a mushroom in the forest, but in the last choice you can hunt animal. Just when you try to survive, not just try to kill the animals for fun or sport. I call in the birds. I can catch a bird with my hand. Look at the screws coming here. Look at here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Come on. You see? When the animal trusts in you, they come so close to you. In this case, you can survive if you try to just kill one of them. You can eat it for a couple of days. You can have everything. Come on, eat. You can search for water in the forest, and when you go into down to the hills, probably you cannot find the easy water. Remember, you have a piece of wood for your safety protection in your hand, and try to make a sound like this. When you make a noise, wild animal, they know you coming, and usually they're gonna run from human. When you're so quiet, you have a chance to attack by the wild animal. We find the water here. Yeah, that's it. You just follow the waters. See what's going on here. My hat is down. Okay. Oh, yes. Here's the water. Probably. So drinking water is going to save your life.